using this thing called VMware Fusion so that I can, that's how I install Frooty Loops on my Mac. It works pretty cool. Um, at first, it was like, oh, I didn't know if it was going to work as good as Parallels, but man, it works just as good or better. I got it from the Apple Store for like 50 something, actually 40 something. So it's pretty good, still, as far as I'm concerned. Better than the 70 bucks you got to shell out for Parallels, and it's not even necessary to get Parallels because this works just as good. So basically, I'll just show you how it works. I'm not installing it right now. I've already installed it on my computer, but it was very easy to install it. You just had to follow the instructions and click here. I usually install here and so on. And I'm running on it's a Mac G5, kind of an older one. I am running the newest OS, the Mountain Lion, but it's 22.4 gigahertz Intel Core 2 Duo. So it's not as fast as the newer ones, but it's still running pretty good. If you're in the market for a new one, just go ahead and get a new one. Save them, get a new one. It's much better. Click VMware down here. I have it in my dock, as you can see. And it's going to take just a second, and it'll start up. Now, if you have a copy, of the new, you want to get the newest Windows you can, unless you have like a disk somewhere. I'm not going to tell you how to get it, but let's get the newest Windows. Sometimes you can find some online, you can download them. Okay, I go up here, and it's already starting up for me. And all I have to do is push play, because I'm actually resuming. And when you first start, it's going to tell you that you have to, let it go through and update and all this other stuff, which is what it's going to do. But it's going to run Windows exactly like if you had it on a PC. And I installed Frooty Loops 10 on here. I was looking online to figure out what I could do, and I didn't really find too many tutorials that really worked. I used the so-called Wine software. That didn't work at all. So here's Frooty Loops 10 on my desktop. All I had to do, now what I actually had to do, with my computer, because the disk for some reason didn't pick it up right away, I did have to download it. But if you download Frooty Loops 10 and you already have bought the official box, you can use the same code you use on the box for the downloaded version, and it'll unlock it. It's good to have a disk because you never know what could happen to your computer. You never know if you'll lose the actual software in your computer. So it's better to have the downloaded version. Here's Frooty Loops Studio, as you can see. I've made a couple beats on here. I'm kind of new to it, so my beats might kind of suck, but just giving you an example that it works. Okay, here's one of my beats. I have a little slowdown because I'm recording the screen. I think that's why it's slowing down. Anyway, that's one of my beats. It works. It sounds much faster when I'm not recording. Of course, it's slower because I'm recording the screen right now. Gonna get out of there. And so that's it. I mean, internet works, everything. Internet Explorer. See if I can show you that real quick. Internet Explorer works fine. Here's like the search bar. I'm not gonna look for anything. Let me see, cats. Well, anyway, again, it's going pretty slow because I'm doing the screen recording thing, so I think it's just slowing it down a lot, considerably. But it does work. Just take my word for it, okay? It works. So As you can see, it's opening up. Just close out of that. Now, if I want to stop this program, VR Fusion, I'm sorry, VMware Fusion, and I simply have to go up here and push pause. Okay, it suspends it. I think Parallels does something similar to that. And after it suspends it, that means it's pausing it, and I'll start off where I left off, so I don't have to like close it out and let the stupid screen come up. Now, then I can just click at the top and go to VMware Fusion and push quit so it stops thinking. Another cool thing I can do is if I don't want to have to do that, I can always just to switch between desktops. If you have an Apple Mac, you can push the sides of your mouse, and this will come up, and you'll see all your desktop and all the windows you have open. So I'm gonna go back to VR Fusion. Click on this. Okay, quit. Click VR Fusion. Automatically, I'm back to my Apple desktop, and I'm back talking to you lovely people. So that's my brief tutorial on using VMware Fusion and using it to upload Fruity Loops. So I hope you guys can comment, tell me what you think about it. It's a really cool way to get it on there. It's the only way it seemed like it worked for me. So please, if you don't have it, go to the Apple Store. If you have a Mac, you're trying to get Fruity Loops on your computer, just simply go and buy VMware Fusion or buy it off of the internet if you don't. It's worth the money. It's totally worth the money versus trying to go get it some other way or use one of these other ideas they're saying, because this is the best way to do it. Trust me. You can get Windows at discounted prices, different places, and just try that. All right, thanks. Y'all are signing off. Everybody say Jesus is Lord. Have a good day.